Yes?
All right. Yeah.
All right. Okay. What's this pen?
Hold on, where's my sheet?
Oh, is that the? Oh, that's the middle one, right?
The mint middle one.
Hold on. Give me a second. Okay.
Kidney.
The liver, the kidney. Oh god. Renal hilum.
Okay, hilum.
Hilum. Okay, sorry.
And what this actually is, it's an opening. So it's like actually the space right here where the ureter and the artery and vein go in and out of the kidney.
Okay.
So it's just an opening. So we'll have maybe a card that says opening if we want you to do renal
And
hilum.
that's the renal hilum.
Yep. All right, the red one.
The cortex. Oh, that's the outside.
Yeah, the
Renal cortex?
Calluses.
Nope.
renal capsule.
Renal capsule. Renal capsule.
So it's just layers.
It's a layer, yeah.
The,
All right, on the inside we have two layers. We have this outer layer, which is
which is
the
the cortex.
okay,
The renal
yep.
cortex.
And then this one is the
Medulla.
yep.
Renal medulla.
Okay, I'm going to take these out.
Yeah, you can take them out. We just needed to clarify for ourselves.
Oh, that's why we couldn't tell.
Yeah, but I don't. Okay, let's do this side. I don't like that side. A couple shots at this, and that's it. Yours may not be the best. Okay, that's okay.
Oh yeah,
Your-
that's what I was looking
yeah,
for. The spider
your
web.
Yeah, we were like, we didn't get right.
your arteries aren't in there, so I don't know what happened with the dye, but they're there, but they're not there. Okay, so each little section is the pyramid and the medulla. So each of these little sections. This shiny middle part is the renal pelvis. And then they're not technically correct, but as best we can do, at the intersection of the renal pyramid and the renal pelvis, if we put the pin right there, that's the renal calyx. It says calyces on the sheet, but calyx is the singular. So renal capsule on the outside, cortex, renal medulla, renal pyramids, renal pelvis, renal calyx.
Oh, okay, I see where the pyramids are now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the little sections.
Because we couldn't, we weren't,
Yep.
yeah, we didn't do that last time.
And all in the kidney.
Reminds me of the eye.
Yeah, I know. I think it's the color.
Yeah.
The colors of it and the outer. You're putting everything back in it.
Yep. Okay. All right, so we'll start up here with the stomach. If it's up near the esophagus, if it's pinned up here near the esophagus, that's going to be the cardiac or cardia region. Then we have the fundus, which is this top portion. Anything else in the middle is the body. Anything at the end is the pylorus.
Pylorus, body, fundus, okay.
The outer edge is the greater curvature, because that's where the greater omentum attaches. And then the inner curve, or the inner edge, is the lesser curvature.
Lesser, greater curvature.
And then,
Ours has a pretty big stomach.
it does. Ooh, that's kind of gross. Okay, so any of these ridges that are in there, so if the pin was in the side, that's the rugae. Yep.
Rugae, okay. Rugae ridges.
All right. Then,
Hope we marked this one right.
the blue, this blue right here,
Pancreas.
pancreas. And it not only goes down here, but it also goes across. All of that right there.
Okay.
All right. The small intestine, there's 3 places. So we had the purple one here is the,
That's the, oh god.
Ascending colon.
oh no.
No, the ascending is up
Purple?
there.
Okay. What you have to do is
We
look
have
and-
them marked wrong.
Not really, but you have to look and see what it's connected to. So this part is connected to the what?
Stomach.
Stomach. So what's the first part of the small intestine?
Ascending, descending.
Duodenum.
Oh, duodenum?
And then
Yes.
jejunum is on the top.
is all
and
this.
duodenum is at the
Oh,
bottom. Remember, and we
yeah,
said
I'm thinking
that.
of the colon.
Duodenum's at the top. Jejunum's here, and the ileum is right here.
right there.
Yep.
Ilium.
Where it goes to
Ileum,
the
and
large
then the
intestine.
ileocrest. What is
No,
that?
ileocecal valve.
There you go. The
So
valve.
this is the ileum?
Okay, no. Duodenum, jejunum, ileum. This is the small intestine. This is the large intestine. This is the ileum, part of the small intestine. All right, this yellow one is where the ileocecal valve would be pinned if we wanted that, even though it's inside. You can see it's right there. This one for the cecum would more be right at the edge.
Okay. And then
That's the ascending. That's the ascending colon. Now,
Then you come into
if it was here, I'm going to put it right here. If it was here and said curve, then that's the hepatic flexure. If it was pinned here, then that's the transverse colon, because it's going more horizontal.
Oh, okay.
If it was here and said curve, that's the splenic flexure. And then anywhere down here would be your descending colon.
Okay.
So basically where it arches.
Where there's a curve, and then between is a transverse, and you have the two flexures on the other side.
So how you say
Hepatic,
hepatic and then the
splenic for the spleen.
Hepatic and splenic.
hepatic, transverse, and
Splenic.
I'm allowing blank.
All right. Then for the reproductive parts, you have the body of the uterus, the uterine horns, where the kittens develop. They don't develop in the uterus; they develop in the horns, and then the ovaries.
I wonder why it's so small. I'm like, how can that fit there?
Yeah, this grows rather than the uterus does. So uterus kind of allows them to pass through, but they don't all grow in there. They all grow in the
Oh,
horns.
right there.
Yeah. All right.
Not bad.
Is that all we had?
That's all. It seems like a lot, but then it's like, oh,